Okay, so can everyone hear me? Are we ready? We're gonna, Elizabeth. All right, we're gonna play Jeopardy. So I guess we'll just kind of go down the line. Can everyone hear? Um, Give me a check mark or something if you can hear me. Making sure. Karen can hear me because you're in the same room. All right, are you ready? We'll just get started. So, Jeopardy. We're going to play Jeopardy. Ready? So, our categories today: vocab and more vocab. And then what's in a circuit? The types of circuits. Schematic. So, that means that what the pictures of the circuits look like. Okay? And circuit symbols. And then for this one, it's what each individual, like the little, what are those called? Like the zigzaggy lines and that kind of stuff. I hope that makes
Tell your
sense.
friend Logan to stop erase my name.
Okay.
This is happening all the time.
Paul, put it down to number 8. Okay, are you ready? Adrian, are you here? Do you want to pick the first question? You can type it in either your chat box or wherever you are in your notepad. Which one do you want to start with? Adrian, which one do you want to start with? What's in a circuit? I got that much. What number? We can start wherever you want. 100, 500, 200, whatever. All right, let's start there. Everybody ready? Okay, the object that produces light by electricity. If you know the answer, just type it in your chat box, okay? And everyone will get to see the answer. So, what is an object that produces light by electricity? Okay. Light bulb. So those of you guys that wrote light bulb, put it in your notepad. You get 100 points. Nice. Okay. So who's next? All right, come on. Come numbers back. Numbers, you need to come back. Oh, there they go. All right. So what's in a circuit? Elizabeth, which one do you want? You don't have to do what's in a circuit. Where's Elizabeth? Vocab. First one, second one. Okay. Do you want to start at 100? All right. Okay, so what is the word that has the definition? An energy storage device composed of electrochemical cells. These words are not hard. The definition may be a little crazy, but the words are not hard. What do you think is an energy storage device that has electrochemical cells? Anybody? You only have 3 things in a circuit.
And it's just that one thing that you have in your house that like produces all the light and all the energy. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a box.
Oh, the fuse box.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's a battery. Yes, Paul got it. Battery. That's all it is, guys. Okay. Next. Greg, what do you want? Greg, your turn.
Probably ain't listening.
I know.
He's talking to his girlfriend.
Yeah.
Is she
Elizabeth.
not listening?
But Elizabeth was listening. Okay, Greg's not answering. Karen, which one do you want?
Circuit symbols.
Circuit symbols for 300. All right, what does this represent? The above symbol represents what? It's one of those things that opens and closes in a circuit. It is called a Anybody? Anybody? All right, you guys that are here, do you know? If you don't, that's okay. That's why we're doing this review. What does this? Adrian is saying it's an open circuit. Yes, Adrian, it does open the circuit, but there's a specific name for it. That is correct. Okay, ready? It's a switch. Okay, so those symbols are going to represent a switch. All right, next. Logan, are you listening? Pick a number. Pick a topic, pick a number. So guys, just being here, typing in your name doesn't mean that you're listening, right? Okay. Morgan, pick a topic, pick a number.
Vocab. 200.
Vocab, the first one, is that good? Okay. So a conductive path through which an electric current flows.
No, Greg types.
It's okay, think about it. If you're just looking at the picture, the current is going to go through the what? What are those things, those pictures of that you have? They're either in parallel or they're in series. They have a battery. They're called a not everybody at once. Paul, what are they called?
Circuit or
Yes,
circuit?
they're called a circuit.
I
Excellent.
get points for that, right?
You get points for that. Okay, so next we have Paul. What do you want?
Types of circuits, 500.
Types of circuits for 500. Okay, you ready? A pathway of low resistance in a circuit that causes the current to bypass the intended component. This one's hard. Anybody? Paul, do you have any idea? Greg, there is no 5,000, so I don't know what that's all about. Okay, so the answer is, hold on, a short circuit. Yeah? Like an open switch? Okay. All right, guys. Okay, let's start back up here with Adrian. Adrian, what do you want? And for what number? Okay, vocab, 400. 1 or 2? 1. Okay, good. So a form of energy that's created by the free or controlled movement of charged particles such as electrons. A form of energy. This is so easy. Think about it. What are we studying? But what's the name of the, excuse me, circuits are part of
Electricity.
yeah. Okay, we got an electricity over here. Let's see if that's right. Yes. Okay.
How much was that one?
400. All right. Elizabeth. Elizabeth, what do you want to pick?
R&B, I guess, Chris.
Elizabeth, what's a circuit? What number? I think we did 100, didn't we? It should be 200. Okay. What's in a circuit? So a device used to control the amount of current in a circuit, and this is what the symbol looks like. What is this called? What is this thing called? Come on, guys.
Isn't it the current?
No, this controls the current.
It's not volts.
It's not volts. It is a,
Resistor.
yeah. Adrian, keep typing. Adrian, keep typing. Don't quit typing. Adrian, what were you going to say?
Parallel circuit.
Okay. So this is called a resistor. Those, I don't know what you want to call them. Zigzaggy lines, that's a resistor. So when you see that in a circuit, that is the resistor. Okay, so who's next? Karen. Oh, Greg. I'm sorry, it's Greg. Oh, wait. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, Greg. I'm only going to give him a minute. Greg, it's your turn. Pick a topic, pick a number. Okay, Karen, pick a topic, pick a number.
Vocab.
Mm-hmm.
Or 400.
1 or 2? Oh, okay. A circuit with a break that prevents electricity from completing the path from one terminal to another. What type of circuit is that called? It's got a break in it. So it's an... All right, guys. Okay,
Isn't it that little box thing that's always in them?
that's the voltage, and that's not what's
Well,
gonna...
not the voltage. Like if you look on the diagram, you'll have the full box, and
Mhm.
then there's that little square that's connected to the box.
Oh, okay, that's where you would put the voltmeter. That's what that little square box is. Okay, you ready? It's an open circuit. It's where that switch is open. It's not connecting the wires. All right.
That easy.
They're not that
And what's
hard,
the-
guys.
What's the part when this thing opens? What's it called? So much easy.
Okay. Logan, can you pick one for me, please? Topic and number? If not, Morgan, stand by. You got one?
Types of circuits, 400.
Types of circuits for 400.
Oop, he's
Oh, wait, go ahead, Logan. I didn't think you were there. Keep going. Logan,
typing.
type.
Say something for vocab.
Thanks. Okay, vocab, 1 or 2? How much? $300. Okay. All right, an object, what is this object? What does this look like? What is something that has a north pole and a south pole?
Globe.
A globe. But we're talking about just a little metal thing. How about that? Greg, what were you going to say? Okay, Paul's got an answer. Adrian's got an answer. Anybody else? Greg had an answer, and
Greg said
Logan.
the North Pole.
It's a magnet. Yay. Give yourself points, guys. All right, Morgan.
What's in a circuit? 300?
What's in a circuit for 300? Okay, the power source of a circuit, often referred to as a cell. So what's the power source of a circuit? What makes things run?
Energy. Volts.
Volts? Where do you get volts? Greg's writing something.
Generator.
Okay, what else? We're just talking about little circuits. Generators are for big things. We're just talking about little circuits. What's that little thing that makes electric cars run?
Battery.
There you go. Got some answers. The battery. That's the little part that looks like lines. One long, big long line and one shorter line. Okay, so Paul, you're now.
How much was that one?
300. Oh, darn it. Wait. I keep forgetting how to get
Put a
my,
W on my name.
I don't know. All right, your turn, Paul.
Circuit symbols.
Circuit symbols for 500. Come on. Okay, what's the above symbol represent? We've already done this one, you guys should know. And it is a... This represents a... Come on, guys.
It's not open circuit. It's the
The current.
Not the current, it's something that goes through the current, or
Resistance.
resistor. What does this represent in the circuit, guys? Look at it, look at it. Look at the symbols.
How many portions is that?
500. Okay, ready? It's a resistor. All right. Adrian, your turn again.
relax. I've already won.
Adrian, what do you want? Circuit symbols for how much? 300. Okay, so what does this represent? We just talked about it.
No, switch.
Greg's got an answer. Paul's got an answer.
I got two of them, just in case.
Elizabeth, yay. Morgan, is that your answer? Yay. Okay, so everybody, this actually represents a switch, but those of you that put open circuit, that's good because that means that the circuit is open. So everybody actually had the right answer. Yay.
How much is that
How
one?
many portions is that?
300. All right, ready? Okay.
Shouldn't you want two, Karen?
Elizabeth.
Will you please?
Elizabeth, your turn. We've got enough time for maybe 2 more questions. Circuit symbols. For how much? For 400. Okay, what does this represent? I don't think we have this in anything.
Thank you.
What does this represent, guys? Just put something down. Think of all the things that are in a circuit, and what do you think this would represent?
Everything.
Everything? I don't know. I think I'm just going to put the answer here because I don't think I've put this in any of our circuits. So it represents a light bulb. Okay? The other thing that represents a light bulb are the zigzaggy lines. All right. And Greg, your turn. Maybe we'll get through one more question. Greg, what do you want? Topic and number. Vocab for 400, 1 or 2? I think we did 2. Okay, I think we did 2. Oh, we did this one. Form of energy created by the free or controlled movement of charged particles such as electrons. Oh, no, we didn't. What is this?
I think we did it.
The flow of energy that goes around the circuits. What is that called? What is the stuff that goes around the current? Oh,
Volts.
no, I almost said it. The stuff that you measure. V is equal to IR. What's the I stand for?
Circuit.
I. R is resistance.
Oh, yeah.
V is what does the I stand for? That's what this is. This is the I in our current. And I just said the answer.
Oh, yeah.
Why do I do that? I'm sorry, guys. I gave you the answer. Sorry. So if that's what you were thinking, give yourself 400. Oh, what is electricity? It's actually current. Okay. Karen, last question. Vocab 500. One? Okay. The amount of charge moving past a point. Oh, okay. This is what I just said. Let's do another one. This is current. Sorry, guys. Karen, pick another one.
The same one, but for 2.
Same one, but for 200. So the conductive path through which an electric current flows is called a. The whole big picture. Okay. It's the whole big picture. What's the whole big picture called? Anybody? Last question? Come on, everybody needs to get it right. What's the whole big picture called? When you see the whole big picture, it's called a. Karen, you had it.
Oh, yeah. Series circuit.
The whole big picture.
Wait, was that right what I just did?
Come on, guys, last question. Everyone needs to write it down. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. It is a circuit. That's the whole big picture. When you see those pictures, they're circuits. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up, but I'm going to put this up as a PowerPoint so that you guys can go in and actually like pick a number and you'll see a question and then you can answer it for yourself. Okay? All right. Thank you, everyone. And I will, good luck on your test. Bye.
Thank you, Miss.